Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Google I/O.
And I was shocked by now Gemini is ahead of ChatGPT, and it's crazy. And I'm not saying that the Google Gemini is not better than the ChatGPT, but it's better. At the same time, the ChatGPT has more features about image generations, and like image generation is literally good in ChatGPT than the Google Gemini. So that's what I'm saying in this point. But yeah, there are a lot of things to talk, but I'm not comparing right now with ChatGPT with Google Gemini because there are a lot of things that I'm going to talk right now in this video about the Gemini updates. So sometimes it can be the ChatGPT too. Let's get started. Guys, and welcome to the brand new video, and after so long time just creating a lengthy video, right? So today what I'm gonna say is recently the Google I/O has held, and I was watching that all night, and like I was shocked by the new features of AI is unleashed by the Google. So in this video today I'm gonna unleash all the top features that is unleashed in a Google I/O 2025. So let's get started. So if you wanna get these kind of videos, please continue following me, and you can click the subscribe button if you want anything. So let's get into the video. So the first thing first, what I'm going to say as the top one is Gemini is having the video camera facility. Like what I'm saying is now you can access the camera through Gemini, and Gemini can navigate around, and you can ask any questions about the viewing angle of that camera. And it's also available on iOS and Android right now. You can use it freely, completely freely to navigate around, and it will helpful for you to in any purpose, and you can ask anything what it is and what is the use of it, and what's this building, and do you know the path of where I'm going, and you can ask anything through Google Gemini. And some apps and some AI has these features, but this is very modified and well built AI model, so you can ask any whatever questions, the complex questions, to answer through that angle of the camera. That's crazy. So as you can see here, I'm just testing out the Gemini video camera facility. So hey Gemini, so what I'm looking for, what is this plant?
That's a beautiful tea plant. It's a really popular house plant. The leaves have such vibrant colors. Is there anything else you'd like to know about it?
Yeah, can you see the sky and tell me the weather right now? Like what kind of weather?
I sure can. It looks like it's a beautiful sunny day with clear blue skies. Are you planning any outdoor activities?
Yeah, I'm gonna play cricket right now. So can I?
It looks like a great day for cricket. The sky is clear, so you should have some good visibility. Just be sure to wear sunscreen and stay hydrated.
Hey, I'm unable to find the bitter leaf. Where is it?
I see the beetle leaf plant at the base of that tree trunk. It's the one with the heart-shaped leaves climbing up. Will you be using the leaves in your cooking?
Yeah, thank you. And also you can share the screen of your phone frame, and you can ask anything about, like you can ask to navigate around, and you can ask any doubts, and you can book tickets through its instruction. The Gemini can instruct you to do anything that you ask. So that's going to be the craziest thing that is launched by the Google I/O 2025, and I was shocked by seeing it. I already posted a video on YouTube Short in my YouTube channel about how to screen share your screen and how to navigate around through Gemini, and it's crazy, and it's mind-blowing. Another great news which is launched and which is said in the Google I/O event, and which is the Gemini 2.5 Flash is going to come out, and they are saying that it will come in early June, but we are not sure about that. But it's going to come out for our users experience. So it's going to be crazy, but I'm too excited about that. Another thing is launched by the Google in Google I/O 2025, which is called the Google agent, like Gemini agent. And I didn't quite understand about those topics, but really what I understood is you cannot getting the answers while through using the Gemini agent, but also you are getting done the works. Like if you want to book a ticket or if you want to buy a vegetable in the grocery mart, and all the things that all the things can be controlled by the Gemini, and it can done all the works, and the only one that you need to do is checking out and paying the money through the online payment, and that is the Google agent, and it can work for you. It not only answers you, but it can also work for you. That is Google agent, like Gemini agent. So what they are saying is the AI mode is launched to the Google search bar, and you can enable it by clicking a toggle there right next to the search bar in the Google engine, and it's gonna mind blowing because it can answer you any complex questions and it can solve anything. So it's gonna be the craziest launching feature right now in the Google I/O event, and I was shocked by seeing it. I literally shocked by, and I was, as usual, you all know Google likes sports, and they have launched a great technique to analyze the sports kind of related contents while you're asking questions. Like if you ask any comparison questions related to any teams or players and sports career, and it can answer you through the graphs and pie charts and bar graphs, and it's gonna work out flawlessly. And I was using it, and it is mind-blowing, and it is done using the Gemini, absolutely, but it is modified, this well modified, using the graph answering technique. And they also said about Gemini diffusion. I really didn't understand about what they are saying. So if you any guys know about that, please like put it in the comment about explaining about that. Now the Google search bar is going to have the generative AI, and it's already have, but if you ask any not complex questions, it cannot answer those questions correctly and properly while you're in a serious mood or interactive mode. But right now the complex questions can be solved, and all the questions can be answered through the generative AI, which is called Gemini, through the Google search bar. Google is one of the most famous search engine right now in this entire planet, and now this is going to have the greatest AI model in the history of planet is included right now, and I'm excited about the result, and I'm using it, and some clips can be added through this video, and you can do it and you can see it, and you can also experience it and use it properly, and it's going to work out freely and flowfully. New wonderful update have launched. Update has set from the Google side, which is called Flow. Flow is a kind of AI model which is using the Gemini to create the animated footage of any video, like any. You don't want to ask any these questions about these right now. This flow can be useful for the video editors, cinema makers, movie makers, animators. Like all artists can use this flow to make videos, just giving the frames. You can add frames. Like while you are making the 2D games and 2D movies, you know about frames, right? Those single frames you can add into the prompt box, and it can use those frames to create the video, and you can also add the prompt to enhance and extend your video, and the video will be motionless as well as beautiful. That was crazy, and now you can use it, and you want to pay for it, but it's very, very worthy for paying for that amount of money for that kind of big model can be used. So it's going to be the crazy, and this is my most excited and most favorite update from the Google in 2025. And there is a new model have launched in this event, which is called VO, that is an audio generated, a music generated AI. and you can use that to generate music, and dubbing purpose and anything related to audio can be done using the VO. And it was mind-blowing. It's not yet coming to the all countries, but it's now only allocated for the US, and it's gonna come soon for the all countries for use. So it's gonna be the craziest update from the Google, and audio can be the magic. You can dub any video through that voice, and you don't need to speak for it, and AI can speak, right? So it's gonna be the crazy. Let me finish this video by saying the greatest update from the Google, which is Android XR. Android XR, and crazy update from the Google, and I was shocked and mind-blowing update. Android XR is now great because you can like view the map through the glass, you can do anything, you can access the Gemini, and what else you want without that glasses XR. And some like glass partners have collaborated with Google to make that glass like Android XR, and it's gonna be crazy. And I'm really excited for the coders. I just want to say that Gemini can be used in Android Studio or like Firebase Studio, and like in several Google related coding platforms are using the Gemini right now, and the coding is getting free and easy. So, and what else you want to do? Just go and code yourself, and AI can't teach you and AI can instruct you. So, and that's it. These are the top features that they said in the Google I/O event 2025 keynote. And if you want these kind of videos from me, please consider following me or subscribing me. So thanks for watching this video, and catch you guys in the next one. Hey, peace.